you're Uber driver, and as what drive Uber pay. Oh, and you're uncommon here. Say UK Hanum Supreme Court the Abase Uber driver for workers. I'm on self-employed and I say contractor said the Uber I can't say no. Ne say until the workers in your beer as I say Uber driver for ensuenya. Sick pay, holiday pay, and a minimum wage. Now so if you tinting Uber eba you basi sabri. We Uber driver, only be ya green said the wenya enono. Ne say until the actual nyina free tinting no. Emraso say Uber ebe compensate you. Ada afọ nim bi kura betimi anya akuti be £12,000. Fortwell Solicitors etu ho asi wonom say ye boa adrowa for ni titu ne Ghana for adrowa for ema omaji say SK every Uber nsem. No win no fee. Naturally say on fa kapre bakura ema Fortwell Solicitors. Nemum say sika ne ba. Yo ya hwehwam de no pepa ne nsakwa. No apre ni kakra de amaye. Numbers no egu screen so. Ma mente wonka. Obeti ma friend 07874 108821. And as a landline no any website so egu screen so. Ma mente wonka. So you Uber driver kwa and as what driver Uber pena. Fortwell Solicitors ehwe wanim.
Swedi yenya emranimfo a won akwadare wo emranimu a poto kasa mu ye kasa a lawyer for entimi nuanom mumyemfo ye immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo Fortwell Solicitors emranimu akukudrofo se watena ha che ombeboa wo ma wonsa kan won krata na Swedi edonso a eyo mokokokra eba ne nipa setena mu eni adwuma mu nsem bia omudim akotene pa omu wo mre di mani pa bia na de enika wo mu poni se no consultation fee.
Fortwell Solicitors always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad. Fortwell Solicitors also deals with long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Fortwell Solicitors is located at
Unit 1, ground floor, Katrina House, 58 Clarendon Road, London, N80DJ. Nearest tube station, Tempark Lane and Wood Green. Overground, Hornsey Station. Buses 41 to Archway and 144 to Maswa Hill. For more info, call 0203 3257 030. Call our 24-hour line on 0754 8701 011. Website www.fortwellsolicitors.com.
Opening hours Monday to Friday 9:30 to 5:30 p.m.
Thursday Beyonce Yellow Milton Keynes.
Fortwell Solicitors is regulated by SRA.
Fortwell Solicitors.
You are listening to GN Radio UK.
nokre kan wasem echere no erade obeye ama oda na we de kan wasem kire eye Fortwell for na omobeye bibia ama ofefefe de atototo na akwan mu nyina de ama ebusia ama me ema akwaba emfambra eye dwumedie so anopa mi ma good morning. I hope you say wo eye pa ye da otwedi ampo nyankopon na se aye na adom ne nepe ene dey so wo de ache yembiem divine selection ebi akamene omienu emoja edi emu afusane eye adom keke se de wonim no ebena da biara ye ba wa akwan so ye ne Fortwell for eba besom wo ewo dwumadie so na se wo pe emranimfo wo ma wo munim mrate mrase a na wo pe wo mo amoma ye obi bi ama wo se efa immigration se mo se efa waware se efa day ni nyina no Fortwell for ayi on ho asi ho no mo a omudi akoten ewo mu pa na dodo na so edi adanse se won ko hu Fortwell no Fortwell Solicitors for aye omo niema nyina ama omo pepepepepe ama sebi omo nkrata asem na aye dendenden nyina no bibia aye sorted enti no na se wo premranim for dia ene nenne ye ne Fortwell for ena ewo fidwem hase a ebesom anope se de ebina da bia ye no ebina da dura ye ba na ensem bia ewo ho a ese ye ka kire o ma wani eda ho no mo se efa eye immigration sensem ho eno ye hia ne de ba wa kwan so free 10 ekosi eye 11 na ya sorry so enti ene so me ne lawyer kwai ye hia a ye baba besom wo sa kwan ne so ma me mfa emrain gugugu akwan mu ma ye na ye nhye ne nso enkai boy na ye nhye ne nso mesre wa enne so wo pese wo frɛ ebesi mobile so a enye adwuma na mmom se wo de text message fa ho a ebeye adwuma ebetimi akenkan wo message no ama but o call efa ho a enye adwuma mesre wa ye nhye ne nso wo sa kwan ne so me de numbers ni betu dwa ama na mmom studio lines a obetimi afrɛ no eye 2 wo frɛ mu bia ye be peke edi ama abra ye bie eye lines no atomu no ye be peke edi ama enu nti no ye studio lines no eye 0203 735 8820 anase 0203 2860185 lawyer and number so wa ha eno so no ye di nkomo na no me di betu dwa ama esan se wo asem bia me pacho wa no ane so be frɛ lawyer no wabusa no na wakona so ye no watimi aboa wo e wo sa kwan no so ntimi di lawyer so number e betu dwa ama na mmom WhatsApp no e na mi bo ho de huru se ene wo frɛ besi so a enye adwuma na mmom wo text ba so a eno de e be hu ni akenkan e de ama eye WhatsApp number no eye 0778793998 eno ntino fa wasem no efa ho wo twro nye be kenkan ni nyina ye begebre ya kenkan ni nyina e de ama ofefefe me da se pa se waye aso etiewe e de ama ye se de wonimu no ene eye ebnada de ne ya ba ye ba besomo the 4th of May 2021 nyame e de yewura bosome fofrom ene nkomo aye ba be di no ma menkin kan kakra enfama na lawyer na tene brofo ase lawyer be chirechire ni nyinamu enche bia ma lawyer koba na wa chirechire ni nyinamu e de amaye ye bisa say well application for child arrangement order affect my immigration status and no question ye bisa say well the court listen to what my children want if I apply for a child arrangement order and no and sema ye bisa wo ni nyina no lawyer ebe yi ano de amaye mfefefe na fe ye koye ni ma ne ye ka de akwa say the impact of the pandemic and then lockdowns mean that many parents have been separated from their children na se eba ne sa na aha no na hye ne so na lawyer ni ye be rewre mu na wakenkan nsam ni nyina e de amaye ni nyina ye ni adaye ho so pepepe e wo sa kwan ne so when the time comes for such people to apply for leave to remain, they struggle to provide the evidence required to their application. And at that stage, some parents may consider making an application for child arrangement order. And in a way, lawyer said they make an honor tin a brofwase, or the room, or tinem rase, now watch and near memu edi amainti ene, and come my baby, child arrangement said a member brosono, lawyer Eddie Yebecum, Namen Sebreno, my mema lawyer Quay, Aquaba, near Fed Median. Lawyer, good morning.
Good morning, Mama Lane.
Patch on where, dear.
Oh, nyamia dome ho ye papa.
The nyamia
I want to
adum na ebi atso me so nti me so me ho ye pa Papa said the die no and some no MC be remu na watch the near menu soon ya say child arrangement no cry said you seek can cry a day. Yes, rawa ubet me the room watch the near menu so am I said the pandemic ama who say bebre no parents ni bebre no separate omo free omo ma ho ne ade na ba so omo koya application etia omo wo kwan bi so ne ade lawyer platform your platform me jade ama fa ye room na question bi wo so aye busa wa ma.
Yo, me that's Mama Lane. And the crap papa and say lockdown everybody over the past year, no. You won't be brave, say in Kuala Bebre or Honoma, or Muntimi Enhu, or more parents are and your more money or mote. It's no better or papane or mame, a be no monte together or my separate. But lockdown and so by, you know, putting who say. Mame no obi ho osuro se akwala be ko papa ne ho because onim se obekọ no de yare bi be fie announce say papa na kasa so mpeso be fie because of lockdown issue, you know. Intimate in kofo bebre parents bebre wo ho no ma omuntimi enhu omumba se dia omupe no and aye nsem bebre ebi wo ho nso ana opese ohun akwala no but because of ejuma ceremony ontimi nye ejuma ni ade nti KBS or the comma akwala na ni ade no ntimi enko se dia na first ne eko ntimi issues ewo ho nti no yehu families bebre a omo issues because of pandemic and any lockdown no na ehu ensensem na start to say affecting immigration applications. Na ye back program where so most times yet discussing immigration and some what people don't realize and they say Fortwell Solicitors apart from immigration also no family cases running your family law department family law cases they bring the cases echo courts you know child arrangement order. What that means in say arrangement be a parent they per se omubeye efa akola ne hwe ho nti no first no na ye be kan say contract order o masesa no o hwe mmemo masesa di no nti the contract order ne say e bia o per se court ne order bi say akola na ewo mu no e bia bosumi bia obehu akola no one weekend and as every weekend bia akola ne be ba ho and as any arrangements bia wo ewo akola ne hwe mu no ye de be to paper so na aye formal no bia ni say bosumi bia no akola ne bia be di weekend ewo ho and as akola ne makon ba be di ewo ho 1 week and 2 weeks until arrange your person would need the other parents in the elko no na matro na mo dia court near the order aye de atoso na mo mienu nia no maybe to prepare and no and I can say a child arrangement order na and the brain no you realize say e bi wo ho nso ana omo ha say a omo nkrata sem enye stable you can say obi any secure immigration status na che say onye British and also say only indefinite leave to remain into no e bia na nkrata na owo no 2.5 years based on the fact say wawari obi a oye British da and based on the fact say oye parent of a British child and I say akwala bia wetina krum has say for 7 years or more and based on that into the amano nkrata which is 2.5 years. So 2.5 years yeah the ma amount for no you realize say every now and again you know so we'll call back now for renewal into every 2.5 years yeah it's all now for renewal. What people fail to appreciate it is at the cry now so I did 2.5 years in the Emma one. That condition needs to continue throughout that period and at the end of renewal until say who 2.5 years because for a British child now we can say 2.5 years in the you need to be able to show say I'm part akulana now won't age now so the ma no shena wo hwe no ugusu a wo hwe sa akulana
okay
they be a come platform no so say the fact say war back now or British you know it's not enough say you see international amount krata so war back now wo hwe sa akulana any time bia wo be course kwa renewal bia no so with the evidence a express say wo hwe sa akulana na omo so na pandemic yi ni omo muntimi enhu omo ba for the past 1 year and omo muntimi pasikes omo de koma ekohwe momba no emfa nkoye meaning say they have issues into a do honomo say okwa koye application for renewal na ofre e bia akwala ne ti maame ne ho into what frame my men say, oh, every time I say we go renew my visa, it's me here for the passport. Me here letter if you ho, I actually say for the past 1 year, na me who akolana and answer me this ebra akola because he can't call and because contact ring and say their ABA my men a penny to me ABA document I hope on person or the bed or the demo. Na one first man ama wa 18 a bit me affect to application the brain. If you more apart from the fact say on for documents in the amount, waiting for phone and waiting at your letter. And they are coming for say Apolana exam so I didn't crack an amount on the crown. But I realize that one cannot into no cat and a engine fuels and no so into the issues we bring no parents it's encounter when it comes to time for renewal because of disagreement and answer issues are papa ne o maame ewo omuntemono no. Now during that period no say ubehu lawyers especially obia or your family law SIA immigration the advice may be say bia arrangements are one oba ne wo arrangements are only papa ne wo ehwe akola ne hwemu no yen formalize no yen fanko aban mu na obia enhu say bosumi bia say na say de ma akola na bosumi bia say obehu akola no every weekend and I say ba many ko edwuma de akola no any arrangements bia mo wo no yen fanko aban mu say bia so kwakoye application for renewal na instead say obe free oba na bi say so onfa letter amount and as obe free be man say onfa letter amount a chance wo hwe akola no you don't need to do that. All you have to do they say obe fasa court paper no now they are court efficacy mo for say court order a chance me na me hwe akola no enunnie and based on that internet Monfa me krata mame internet there's a lot of advantages but when that time comes now na incrofo is true. Incrofo true because bia osro say okwakoye application akọ family court no ye ba be yi ni efikrom. If you also we application no crown pa ma me no and say the other parents no it ni catch record ni say enye because of inkwala nti in a we application. The only reason a we application e won krata sem o krata person will renew enunti na we. Okay. And during the family court process, this can have very big impact because the way application echo family court, you will probably from Kafkas. Okay, Kafkas for our social workers. Normally no court requires a Kafkas officer no babe interview in Kwalano na take in Kwalano witness into play into no any decision be on baby and number so mutie ya Kwalano ebeka. Sometimes Kafkas officers in ebetie in Kwalano meti say ampa bia do emma akwalano and I say obehwe in Kwalano ma amena na pese bia or the documents ebema and papa no pese or the documents the ebema we chese o hwe Kwalano but truly and indeed Oshe and Kwalana. Sometimes if this happens, the court may consider their akwalana aka when making any decision. If you also are over corner bia akwalano oswa into the obekano crown pono dia mena kachira akwalano and I say yaka efese akwalano eka no beka. All these things, Kafkas officers they are trained. They are specialized to be able to understand and appreciate say their akolane kano their person oka and answer the true wishes of that akolano. It's very, very important. And sometimes so people need to understand say so we need enkrata and our enkrata eba bewu. Now you need to go through the family court process and sana with the necessary documents now what they be renewal now. Idea etimi expect bebre. Into we encourage people say but more than if unim say unya any document and feed the other parent na ukwakoya application ebe cause problems but more than to who anamo entem start the process at very early stage because family court process and a bit maybe 6 months, a bit maybe almost 1 year. It is a winning say enya dia documents are we here if the other parents rubenya make it just way who lawyer entem. Sometimes the sad part is say lawyers need you honor they don't deal with family issues. They are not able to advise on the impact of family application ever have on your immigration application. When choosing lawyers who deal with this, making sure that lawyer obey me advice family aspects,
Okay.
any immigration aspects, because there's a lot of interplay. Sometimes obey application akọ family court, who say court nankasa no aye application akọ immigration or home office for honum. So the ombenya wo immigration history. No onwetinye determine say ade day family order no and our court order no emawa ubetimi awo krum ha say ahwe nkwala na anase untimi enhwe. Ebi also they want to determine say truly the interest of the child ain't in our yes our family application, and that is very very important. So when we hear any family application, now you are not able to establish say it is in the interest of the children ain't in our way na one kasa one krata na way na you may have a lot of issues. If you need to be able to present your application in such a way say who say indeed the interest of the children into the way application because passive. So we na encraft how krum has say crown for now be juma be na because of enquality now person we a juma krum has the it is also in the interest of the children say ubewo krum has say na wetimi abua omo anase wetimi nya contact ewo omo honomo from time to time because a boy and that is the understanding of young practitioners. We understand. However, we also appreciate that and yet all the time in the interest of the children. Obi honoma papa no sha ninkrata inti no person oji and yet because of person or share and also ewo honum we appreciate that. But it is very 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 important that we understand say family applications a bit me affect the immigration application. People need to start the process quickly. Sometimes se wugina ho ana otwen na wo enkrata na ewu ansana why application ebi wo ho no ma obetimi apply for bibi friend discretionary leave ako efficacy say bia omoma obey 3 months bi omoma obey 6 months bi whilst your family case goes on and whilst you try to secure your status ewo krom has say dia omu you enfi krom ha because ena grofo be extra say during that process and enkrata ewu how is he going to survive? What is the basis of already krom has say and that make sure mu say it may be possible say obey application ako efficacy near amount some temporary leave whilst you try to rectify your issues ewo has say. Another advice I'm going to make for is say, modern say, as soon as you realize say in Sembi Ewohono, being not say entering pen so and can say, oh, may train some in Kratani be well because ABM or 2.5 years. Problems not started just after 1 year, including 1.5 years, into you feel say and yet so look, this can have very big impact when the time comes out, will renewal. Into the advices as soon as you realize the issue but more than a family law practitioner as a family law lawyer obetimi a starting process a be and all the time in necessary see a court near application near order at a be na entiase craving na any only other partner into a mediation crown a resolve in some brave round oba enya enkodu court it may resolve assembly and court and we like that we try to encourage say parents nankasana ebe back together na omanya entiase be ye adwuma na de bibia beto ye be treffer the consent order na dia court na court na assign so rather than say ye be court nya kotwe manso sa ansana entiase ayede aye adwuma so we try to encourage that yet all the time say obaya obehu lawyer na say oh sa de yen court there be all the time ye yen sa into no yen advice and none of pay dey ma ye tie for no say mumbo modena mu say there's an interplay between family law and immigration law. Sometimes it's me affected with status, sometimes it's affected. It depends on the way we treat the issues as and when they come up.
Nature say lawyer ideally no nature say application na wo ye ne say family application bi na wo ye de na be here family lawyer obetimi aboa wo sa kwan na so obia betimi aboa lawyer bia betimi aboa na
Debbie, you see, and then I make sure say young lawyers, many people we specialize in different areas.
Yeah.
Say Oba baby to say Fortwell Solicitors. Na o say ope civil litigation, if there were issues, will be the car and answer when you be criminals, will be now person will be dealing with that. You will lawyer Rebecca Joseph
Kuhuno, okay.
on dealing with that amount. So what back now say who family issue you will lawyer obetini a dealing amount. Obetini a juma amount. You know, say that they be a platform so there was solicitors. I mean, obi no speciality, immigration. Won't be anything about family. Into no say what that case then that's a family ebe mu pe. One if you are not unyama akosai because on me now the necessary advice now unya a ebe boa no. Into it's very important say whoever you are instructing to help you, he may have an idea of family case, he may have an idea or immigration. Say there are issues in the bar, or waiting about genuine advice. Now waiting now waiting in your own kata.
You, Abusia, Nani na wasuguso legal hour near ne Fortwell Solicitors for and anope yetwetwe nkomo ebena da bia na ye de ba wa kwan so said ye be ye be ma ye ni ada ho ne yetimi atoto ye ne ma yie enu nti no ene lawyer kwa ye ne no na edi dwumadie a wo kyerɛkyerɛ ne ma ni so se eba ne se opese wo ye eye family application bia na che se esese wutimi de ne ma gugu akwan mu yie na all advice no because obia or area bia wa specialize nti no onimu a wo ye ade e wo ho ye lawyers ni bi or immigration lawyer at the same time onim family law so onim say nti say bibi sa akoto nanim ani obetimi a handle ni nyina say the lawyers si church na say Fortwell Solicitors omo the area bi omo dey obetimi asort out omo beboa wo kwan bebre eso enu nti na me bo wo nka ye say how bi ana say atiti bi ana say bibi na e kire wo so eba migration sensem mu eba manson bi a wo twim bi a ese ne na wodane wani na wode koma eye Fortwell for na womutimi esom no mutimi eboa wo ewo eye sa kwan ne so wo hwa wo bre na 27 minutes past 10 ewa ha say 11 pepepe na ye sorry dwumadi so nti lawyer guso a wo kasa no wo question bi apese wo busa no quickly anye se afe na abema part 1 and 2 there be eno enye adwuma sa Mr. wa wo ye ne tenten mo question no wa busa na lawyer timi yiwa no ententem say ye de ebehia ebre pa de a ene na out of 4 me advice say obefa lawyer number na wa frɛ no na wakona so ye na watimi aboa wo sa kwan ne so eye Fortwell Solicitors omo landline office line no enie 0203 3257030 mi si number ne so biemu de amount 0203 3257030 afi obetimi afrɛ no mobile so 07944 976 161 07944 976 161 obomodia efrena omo wonto boase pa ombetie wa asem na mua bi omo obi asoso omo etimi edi aboa na nkofo bebre ya na omo ba platform so bedi adanse e omo akọ Fortwell for ho edi adanse se asem ne te sesei kura na Fortwell for edi omo na esim na omo begira mawa bibia totodin ema wo soso nkrata asem ni bibia eda na akwa mu pepepe obetimi afre studio line se de na medi kan no untimi mfrɛ mobile no ba obetimi asend you message na fa ho ye be kenkan no lawyer ayi ano e de amount aside that no work quick a question we apese ubisa lawyer me pa cho 110 so ano wo frɛ na ubisa lawyer be yi ano amount number no 0203 735-8820 0203-735-8820 and I say 0203-286-0185 0203-286-0185 and your studio lines na ubetimi afresi so no wabusa o quick question no na lawyer yi ano ama and I say fafa WhatsApp na menken kan ma WhatsApp call enne de enye adwuma I said the mekano na obi eso friend mesre wa mintimi me fa call no kra na enya de obetimi aba enti no bomoden ase obesene o message no ama me anase free AC 0203-735-8820 and 0203-286-0185 nti wo free me sesi an mesre wa anya se ma sheda me peke wa enya de obetimi aba show ne so enti mesre wa fato so na frɛ me numbers na ma nansi ni sisi ya no wo de fa text message fa 0778 7939958 ene de metimi yi ano de amount me da se lawyer mami enja ma na eto aso efa mai
yo me da se bebre very important say in Crawford realize it the factors are courts will consider when making such application for child arrangement. First and foremost, may also say most the key factor the interest of the child.
Yeah.
Say application be for child arrangement. Say chinchinia wona wohwe wo ba you want to have access for wo ba no unyasa or than say ebi abosumi bia obehu akwala. Then they want to measure say sir una obehu akwala no is in the interest of that child. If you ho no ma ubehwe mo no na papa no and the other parent na on akwala no ent no na or history be ebia violence, domestic violence, ebia na or accommodation issues. So we'll say baba also a bema who also a single room. Meanwhile, no so no open say akwala na ebedi weekend these are some of the things that the court will consider and says no. Abia this is what me has solve it, what resolve it, accommodation issue, and son and wait to me I I'm a colana about her. Sometimes a bit more things say if they get the court order now, Abia obey me at yes, we know that that is possible. Abia now court order now with me the local authority they said because when you court order no baba or holiday or weekend or but we need it or just for them to give you accommodation and not yet your main concern was this platform and I said this way no so but it's something that you need to have at the back of your mind saying so open say we akwala be eba on chain na or back for that long period their weekend now you need to have provision of accommodation for sa akwala and the other factor we always consider no what type of interest you the parent you've shown in the past. For instance, obi honoma before I obey any application, you better chance say koji letter if you akwala school ebra a chese or the akwala co school from time to time and that's also akwala parent evening ne sports days, sports events near the ukobi ubehwe na papa na say the other parents only hwe on kosa niamano and things like this, is something that it's me affected your applications that we are looking at. And now say even we hear application for family courts now say, you've had interest in the child, you've done this, you've done that, but we need any evidence to say you've been
lawyer may say for once and then course ni na o my some be fresh mobile so no one ever may send a message me yes still. And bear with me Tiopa, but I'm trying to sort them out. So
no, that's fine. That's fine. Thank you so much. Very important. Say we appreciate some of the dynamics when it comes to making these applications. Say the answer your bra for instance, obi ohonoma na almost separated, but sika your penny sika or the beko near the ahwe akwala bakumpo enko and yet because abia nejuma sem asay and answer bibi abia na why not just already on fanko even though he's got the money different when abia nipa nejuma asay because when nipa nejuma asay because of pandemic issues are air cost you betimi or kwan betimi afa so to be able to explain to the court say and you be apoye say on person be hwe akwala no but because of the personal circumstance in the previously not our interest in the child but since I near my then I some way all these things are something that we have to consider. All these things are things that we need to be aware of say a bit me affecting application we tell people say but more than as much as possible you try and resolve in Yama Eufia but if they are not resolvable Eufia but more than not seek your advice at the earliest opportunity.
Abusia ena lawyer achirechire mu ede amaye no mesre wa misi subie mu se wo asem bi a opese wo bisa lawyer emfa mobile no so ene de wa wo ni UK na se bi a untimi mfre normal line wo ho be kire kakra but se opese wo bisa asem a o de fa text message nko ade ene metimi akenkan ama e wo WhatsApp ne so metimi akenkan ede ama na Mr. Roma, me ma caller in Bremi, we are mema or announcement, Eddie Amau, me that's it. Caller, good morning. Udini baby akase free.
Good morning, Marlene. Pacha because free Manchester.
Yo,
from Ebenezer.
Ebenezer, who ye?
Pachonya no na also.
Yes, so I do me here pa. Eben, question ben na woman lawyer, Mr. say tin the any we call lawyer office. Say a quick one there.
With a short quick one.
Meet you. Lawyer suit.
Yeah, you Pacho. Because I say be wale you ni 2020 that's August. And in Katan by March. Now me say me apply for school. Now I'm to school no this what na UK for 3 years and then 1 year student fund. Now this lawyer say 3 years no started Emma me obano e wari na say 3 years no started from tema nkata ne buy no ansa na betuma student fund pachamasem na no
Ebeneza wasama no meboa
patwa
lawyer Mr. O question bi apese obisa na
Mpacho David.
Any even fatu so ma me say dey obi fufuro so betimi afre why lawyer be yi anu me das you okay bye lawyer Mr. O betimi yi even question anu amana
Normally, no, say share student finance scheme na. On the culture say you should have lived here in accordance with the regulations, and I say in accordance with EU law. Based on that, on the calculating from March 2021, because that was the time Home Office for a confirming say you are living here in accordance with EU regulations. However, if it becomes necessary, so we use August 2020 now. It may be achievable. You may be able to argue successfully say, time I worry or banning even though now your application and why your application not you are still living here in accordance to EU regulations. Because during that time, your application, you now be a friend certificate of application.
Yeah.
So certificate of application, wait me as that say N9, wait me be a bank account, wait me Juma. So long as you were working before March 2021, enough evidence to show say from August 2020 now, our application, amount certificate of application.
Yeah.
You were genuinely living here in accordance with the EU regulations and the emphasis student finance and the amount, and that should be able to help you with our application and finance.
Okay. Wait, so the question here, or say one funny day about say good morning, lawyer. My cousin made an EEA application November last year in Accra. We've still not received a decision yet. What should we do, please? Honestly, so idea and no.
Yo, so we EEA family permit application. Accra November 2020. Yeah. Now just say actually. Normally, those applications, actually were between 3 to 4 weeks, not decision about. But for some time now, this is not the first time. You take so many occasions and call for a year application for family permits based on the fact of the EU family. I check. Now, say a check sana. There were contact details. EU Resolution Center.
Hold on for me, thank you.
I will wait me. I contact you more. I expedite application amount. So then I say I'm back and tell my advice say over trauma because from November 2020, now our decision. It's more than 6 months, which is too much.
Okay.
My advice is move pushy number true if you can see me.
Okay. Good morning, caller. Me pacho udini baby akase free.
I'm sorry, I'll call back. I may contribute to the program, but maybe say since you may further back in batch.
Good.
Sorry.
All right, that's fine. Okay. Yo, abusia yeguso a answer all questions no at the amount. So question be a quick one na pese lawyer anoma wa. Friend number si Mr. Wa mobile number no and now fresh so mean to me answer or question amount. And now first we jam a voice note. And also so a very difficult to send it me about amount because me have a problem with the phone no. The only thing I'll bet me the alpha hoye text message or text me I name king kaya lawyer ye ano edit amount. Me when say me nua bi eja me voice note me boa enye ye Mr. Wa. Enti no obetimi a text ya na so obetimi a friend numbers ya me say abesisu na lawyer ye ano edit amount. Numbers no 0203 735 8820 and 0203 2860185. If I try frame me any of the numbers no nebusa question na lawyer any no fe ma. But mobile no AS 0778 793 9958 no. ofre me call so a mintimi mfa wo call no even though a bear ring you all right but me pekia enye yi me pekia be ye but untimi mba that's it's simple as that untimi mba and unti no bomodin ase wo be text na makin kan wasem na ma wana se wo pese ofre na kan wasem na ne na numbers na me de tu dwa no wetimi afre edi esiso edi amaye me da sepa yo lawyer number eni beep sa lawyer number ni 0203 325-7030 0203-325-7030 eno landline no bomodin ase obefre lawyer Fortwell Solicitors for office na omo etimi aboa wo opese o call maso ya omo be ma direction edi free ho omo mobile number no 07944976161 07944976161 address ni unit 1 ground floor Katrina House 50A Clarendon Road London N8 0DJ Mississippi unit 1 ground floor Katrina House 50A Clarendon Road London N8 0DJ me pacho bomodin ase obefa address no wanti address na landline is 0203 325 7030 Fortwell for omo landline ofre wo ma omo ebeje so fefefe edi ama na mrebia na se asembia ha obia no watimi abomodin akọ amomotimi aboa minim se lawyer line no atekwa
there be me wo ahase
okay lawyer any mpacho to asoma me yebre no kokakranti
yo whilst I train na callers abemu no remember a few updates regarding immigration cases also one of them a case recently your friend ST child of litigation friend and VW versus Secretary of State for the Home Office and no way no recourse to public funds and say say can't 2.5 years and go for year application based on the fact that only appearance of British child. One of the major conditions are the fact that ultimately and benefits. Until this particular case, there was a 5-year-old British child, Anna Nemami, a South African national. Now, any application for 2.5 years previously. The man no recourse to public funds. So intina Nemameno 80 benefits. Now a good time obey renewal for another 2.5 years, or application for fee waiver. Said ya obey fees, omuntia home office fees, NHIS because they were there, and we always encourage people. So who needs sika now person application oba ye be fee waiver ni inside any if so amount. It's almost Emma omu fee waiver no person be to fees. Now, Home Office for the extra back say fa further information ni details the embra. Now a year no and now many decided say you know what instead of be answer our questions obey for Home Office fees and any NHS fees because then say questions na bisa na emu dukakra. Ochia na ochia wie Home Office for no edin krata na ema no na this time round almost say only access to public funds because we will see how the Home Office fees in India, then it means to say who has a obey benefits. Now and no in a omodeba courts it decided say no benefits are a Polana or ye British or ye entitled to. Mean or ye entitled to because or no recourse to public funds. According a year now, judgment now very good news for almost 2.5 years are on mobile British, but over here not child benefits mean maybe one grandpa or person or GMA Kolana ultimate engine and none your ball efficacy move for H say they are almost and yet because discriminating against before any Asians are they believe say mobile benefiting from this the most especially in Kuala Asians and before has said. So a good news in a way. We always encourage amount for omunya issues, on person with benefits.
Okay.
But because of conditions into Muntini engine. They should come forward and try to use our condition in. So if that does not become possible, we have a way I challenge if we can see move for now only if you so internet. This is very good news. You better encourage your man for to take advantage of the judgment, and make the necessary applications and see the use our conditions, if you're more so.
Okay. Now wait there no when you send the voice I mean say betimi I say e beti bi say e bebo ama yate ne question na ma me try na me. Then pachote.
Very low kakra, so to be raising the kakran kebe me there.
Okay.
I'm saying you say utie na we repeat
I mean enti na me kan ma kuma kuti asofo de ni bi. I say will be interpreting my me say to me.
Yeah, okay. And the web boy.
Okay, was one more nkwala mi enu no mo de omo buy, mo 1 year EU residence permit near the ma omo. Ebewu next month June. Omo ye right to remain your ma ba 6 years, your ma ba 5 years. Or se card na nkasa be wu next month June. Or person who says so more apply for card na ana because e be wu next month June. So or more apply ana.
Yo. Maintenant see bebre say a common question it keeps on coming up from time to time the EU for any 30th of June deadline the most important thing for Ebusianfo Omuye EU for an answer my application based on EU regulations is before 30th of June, making sure the application for pre-settled status and unsettled status. And only a key when you email, when you letter, and only a fundamental. Then the second thing is omo card ebewu 30th of June. It will be very important say mobile upgrade card, okay. Now my J card valid for more than 30th of June. Because say unya 30th of June now card na ukra biometric card na ukra na ewua. There are employers you honoma they will almost TCM. Employer be now kako page more now the card na ko now see card name with 30th of June but me email has say say men krata na valid for 5 years men krata na valid for 6 years so no enya dia obetiasiama and you're going to have problems. So it is very very important say card na ye de ma wono e valid till 30th of June obey application no YG new card ni bi obey upgrade o card no na YG new ones ni bi. Yeah, Fortwell Solicitors, we've been doing this a lot for a lot of people. Yeah, Uncle Bray, Momufi Manchester, Momufi Birmingham, and Milton Case, the idea Omuba, yeah, try say, yeah, BSA application, I'm on your magic sign new card. Okay. A very straightforward application, but a application that you still have to take documents to the FKTM for now. Say, and from the type of application I will go home office. Anytime we are SL completely forms now the evidence and could be an important application because if it's me I reject two application and I wait me refuse two application. Internet say not a bad hard drink, you may struggle with it now pay legal advisor. Give us a call and we'll be more than happy to say yɛbɛboa na wayɛ saa application na wa upgrade wo card no.
Okay, lawyer, wait, your time ne continue be your last question. Not just say meja we na man last words be a will be out the ejaye. Now we or see now what last time now o can be say would the enema echo efficacy mu a o ye entitled so someone fa umbrella wo betimi a request especially passport wo betimi a request say em fa umbrella back. Or no person just your application the coye. Then so no or more like I say a refuse application, but at the same time no they kept the passport as at now near kasa the passport ne wuda dada or per se who say passport no ewu no obetimi akoye passport foforo e de ato ne ho ana because e no ye form of ID passport no so ewu ofikesi mu obetimi akoye passport foforo ato ne ho ana.
Oh yes, say o passport no ewu ewo efficacy mu a na person akoye passport foforo you are at liberty say obey new passports. The only concern is say okay passport. You baby so say passports na ayira and I say passports na ewe hifa. If you think say passports na ewo efficacy but enraya me advice am debe ma on say any statutory declaration and any affidavit a obey aka ho e de akọ Ghana High Commission na de akoye passport no. But more than a catcher must say, old passports in the home office. And yes, Obeka say, home passports in the Ira, whilst and I wouldn't say a war home office because statutory declaration no. So we try and throw a perjury. It's something that can take you to jail at some point in future. So we're very careful the type of information that would be better. So into yenya bemana or person or koji card for front. He is at liberty to obey application for sign new passport.
But so said the can also omoya aware say near no ewofikesi the passport no ewu ho but ewo ho enyira.
That's it.
Okay, but obetimi are all right. Any problem?
Obetimi are all right. Yes.
Okay. Yo, lawyer, I think say the basic I say na so will be my na advice be the chat will be our maybe I be idea because it was just 7 minutes to go.
Well, very important. Say there all cano and at this opportunity. The first time the just say every Thursday. This month, this where yes, a month where you be in Milton Keynes office now every Thursday you walk a honum into the Muamuti Ewa Milton Keynes, Muamu Northampton, Muamu Wellenbra, Corby, area honumunia, Amo Pese Mubehueno. Every Thursday, Biano, you're back Milton Keynes, your legal surgery, all Milton Keynes are air free. And yes, Obabe for consultation there be or any questions or documents be up as a refusal application be a year statutory declaration, change of name deed, anything be a lawyer so be a man. It is not necessary say ube to point about land and answer because Thursday be from 9:30 to 5:30, Milton Keynes that will be seen and crop for and only is something that may person crop for action and so. Secondly, Yegusu Aye celebrating electoral accreditation, which we are excited about. It's something that we will keep on making people aware. We are hoping, say, in the coming few months, you with me, better news for Fortwell Solicitors because of all the efforts that we are trying to put into help your community. Now, a ban applications are as in for a year. Immigration applications, family law applications. Remember, say you always will have a reliable partner when it comes to us. A ban on immigration, there are so many aspects to it. If you are on application, obey say a simple application. Oh yeah, renewal be 2.5 years. Keke. Obey at the incense be abba. Now simple say EU for no especially no. We share appendix EU any. The way our home office for a tricky in a difficult. So we are EU and as we are EU with any business officer application. It is paramount, it's very, very important say obey seeking legal advice because you who say a BIMO application almost 5 years ago, 10 years ago, anaasɛ application bi a wayɛ a wagyae akyidi baabi a wokɔware obi aware no anyɛ yie na wogyae akyidi sisi a yɛsɛ obi anyɛ application for pre-settled status wokɔ akɔyɛ bi wobɛkɔ na akɔyi nneɛma epie wobɛkɔ no na yɛ question ɛwɔ o previous application. These are some of the things that the person nkurɔfoɔ ɛhyɛ no nso, especially EU for no, because for them no they think say because a app we are we use their application a straightforward because say we fill a form online now they are called we are more information in you, especially and kwala form fee Ghana ebaye EU form akofa omumba aba chromasin most of the time umunya buy ya umunya ejuma pe na omati omho efi omo parents no ho na omo yi omo address akoto baby. They are having a lot of issues at the moment. These are some of the things I'm best for Asian. So say if that is the case, that applies to you. Make sure so you think through it, you seek legal advice and see how the application are called. Recently, case be a me here na papa no akwala no we fi ne papa enchen na onwa aye na application or an application you know your friend whom of his one friend ebisa the question say you who's our address that has say oh me papa na me adwuma na me ye rekwa me disika che me papa nti na say me fi ho no na me ko na akọ say in sembebre akọ sembebre aba. So it's very 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 important say you be appreciate say even though we app application or app or not so no as important as our filling forms as important as any other application I would date the important evidence because to be it will have implication on your the outcome of that decision and everything. So I could say a lot of issues be brain say what and crata will chrome has say now one crata why you juma bear 5 years why did you maybe now one crata ever say if you want them and no ya be bro you need crata the only crata or price or beijing crata but one crata na ever say ya be you know for them or no it's important say they take their renewal seriously and they make sure say they seek help. Sometimes it may be one question or two. I'll be a lawyer, I'll be changing one more, and that may be enough for you to be able to do the necessary application in some way without having any problems.
Okay. Ebusia said the onim no lawyer kwai Fortwell Solicitors for and ye knew on attraction and common na lawyer or a very busy person pa nenso so no we yes was a benade bia obeba ba beboa said the be ye Ghana for a bit me a fire to mapa efra ewo eye akwantu e wo mu enu nti no lawyer kwai na ye tin ne wa be kyerɛkyerɛ niam bebree mu me gidi se wasua bibi me eti amesua bibi pa so e de efri mu se wo pese okoko hu lawyer kwai a anase Fortwell fo a me pa kyerɛkyerɛ number yi ne frɛ wo mu na asem bia opese obisa omu bia omu obre ombe yi ni nyina no kama de ama de esese wo kɔ office wo no mbeka kyerɛ sɛ bra office ma wo yemo nhyehyɛ wo kra esan sɛ initial consultation ni kra no free enti wo kra wo ha ne sɛ frɛ wo mu ɛwɔ 0203 325 7030 0203 325-7030 eno omo office line ofre omo mbeje so fefefe na omo bi omo etimi aboa ana se frɛ lawyer kwai ewo number 07944 976 161 07944 976 161 mpacho wa opese okọ omo officer address ni nie tro na ebo modin se obeko akwakuhu omo aboa unit 1 ground floor Catharina House 50A Clarendon Road London N8 0DJ ano omo address bomodin se obeko na emwa bi wo bi asoso omo etimi aboa dodo na adi adanse se how bi na da omo so bi na omo call Fortwell no bibia adeda na akwamu enti ye do besi ha sei na nyame ya adoma na wo twese ne ye beba na ya baba besum ye da wase se wo ye aso a wotie ye enuan ma wo hwe wo Facebook nyina se da kese enkomo bibiara wo a wantimi anhye bomodin se obe share ma obi foforo so ati bia na nne ama ateboma obi share na obi foforo so entimi ntibi ne yemboaboa ye ho nyame ya adoma ye besa ehia na wo twese ne midin edi mama le me na mdi dwumadi ho chia me ne lawyer kwai enene ye besum Fortwell efo enene ye besum akra bye bye lawyer miss me that say bye bye.
And that's what drive Uber pay. Oh, any uncommon here. Say UK Hanum Supreme Court the Abase Uber driver for workers. I'm on self-employed and I say contractors say the Uber. I can't say no. They say until the workers in your beer as I say Uber driver for Ensuenya. Sick pay, holiday pay, and a minimum wage. Now so if you tinting Uber a buy BC Sabri. We Uber driver, only me buy a green set the way you no. They say until the actual free tinting no. Emraso say Uber ebe compensate you. Ada phone him be crabit me anya could be £12,000. Fortwell Solicitors etu ho asi wonom say ye boa a drawer for the titu ne Ghana for a drawer for. Emma omaji says every Uber nsem. No win, no fee. Naturally say, on faka pre bakura Emma Fortwell Solicitors. Name says he can't ba. Yo ya him de no pepa nsakwa. No apre ni kakra de amaye. Numbers na egu screen so. Ma mente wonka. Obeti ma friend 07874 108 and answer landline no any website so egu screen so. I mean tonka. So you Uber driver kwa and answer driver Uber pena. Fortwell Solicitors help you him.
Santi a day.